Hi guys, Matt from Tradie Web Guys here, and in this tutorial I'm just going to run through how you make phone numbers on your website clickable. So I'm just going to jump across to a client of ours website right now. So let me reduce this. Okay, so you see here on this website, client of ours in Sydney, all the phone numbers there are actually clickable, which means that I could push that right now and it will bring up the calling device on my computer, or if I'm on a phone or a tablet, push the number and it makes that number callable. Same here. If I navigate over this, you'll see my cursor changes to a press button, so you can click to call, and all the numbers will have that. So I'll just show you how to do that. Okay. Now, regardless of the builder that you use, this tactic will work. So whether or not your website's in Divi or Elementor or whatever it is, it doesn't matter. It will still work. So I'm going to head across to one of my websites now. This one here is an Elementor website. This one here is actually a Divi website. This one here is an Elementor website. So they both work. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go, this is an event page we have. I'm just going to click on the editor. And I'll show you how to add the number, and then I'll show you how to link it so that it makes it clickable, and then we can see what that looks like. So this is a page here. This doesn't have any phone numbers on it because we don't actually have phone numbers on this website. However, if I wanted to add phone number, I would just go to a text section. So this is a text section here. I'm going to jump across into this text editor, and I'm just going to type in call on 1300 417 297, which is our Tradie Web Guys phone number. And then I'm going to highlight this. I'm just going to copy it. And then I'm going to push the link button like you would if you were linking to a URL. Click on that. And then it's got paste URL section here. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm not going to paste URL. I'm going to type in the following letters: TEL for telephone. Of course, my keyboard doesn't want to work for the example. Why would it? L semicolon. And then I'm going to paste the phone number in, and I'm going to remove the spaces. And then I'm going to click apply. You can see straight away that it's hyperlinked it right here using this bit of code, TEL semicolon and the phone number. Now, it's important that you have the 10-digit phone number in here. So if you're calling from an 02 phone number or an 03 number or an 07 number or whatever it might be, you need to have the 08 and then the phone number in there as well. Or a mobile number, same thing. You're going to have the entire mobile number, which is 10 digits anyway. So then I'm going to preview this. You'll see that number's come up here, and it is now clickable. Okay. So again, if I wanted to make this phone number a mobile number, I can just delete this altogether and start again. I'm just going to highlight that. Go to click, type in TEL semicolon and paste the phone number, enter, and there it is again. Okay, so that's how you would do it for a phone number. Same again if it was an 02 number. You would do 02 90 whatever the phone number is, and you copy that. TEL semicolon, remove the spaces. That's done. And you actually also, in this instance, you don't even necessarily need to have the 02 in front of it, as long as the hyperlink has the 10-digit number. So I can remove this. Just like so. Edit that, make sure that it still has the O2 in there. And then that still will work. See how it's got rid of the O2, but it's still linking to the O2 number. Okay. So that's how you, you need to make sure that you obviously save and update whatever builder you're using. And that is how you can add a telephone number to your website, or even things like an email signature. Anything that you can hyperlink to, you can use that little bit of code, TEL semicolon, and then add the phone number in. Okay, guys, hope that helps.